Hello everyone, welcome to Ruba Fashion. In this video, we are presenting 100% pure Kanchi cotton sarees with fully thread woven. The first color option is beautiful light brown shade. Saree length is 6.2 meters with running blouse. The pallu will be traditional stripe lines. Since the fabric is 100% pure cotton, the saree is light in weight, easy to carry and easy to pleat. The next color option is beautiful mango dual tone shade. The border color is purple with Rudraksha pattern. The next color option is beautiful turquoise green with blue border. You can use this saree for your regular use and office use as well. There is no special washing care required for this sarees. All you can do just normal hand wash. The next color option is beautiful royal blue with green border combination. Video is taken under the sunlight shadow without any lighting, so exactly same as shown in the video you will receive the saree color. The next color option is beautiful turquoise green with purple border. Since the saree is pure cotton, ironing is required for the saree. As you all see, all of our sarees will have unique color combination. Each and every color combination we specially made request to our own contract weavers and made this pattern. The next color option is everyone's favorite dark purple with green combination. All these beautiful sarees are priced at Rs 980 plus shipping. The last color combination is beautiful Rama blue with the royal blue color combination. If you like any of our sarees, kindly take a saree screenshot and send a WhatsApp message to our number 9363848472. Thank you so much for watching.